Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love outdoor cooking, choosing the right grill makes all the difference. From gas and charcoal to pellet smokers and smart Wi-Fi grills, the market is packed with options, but not all deliver where it counts. I've tested them all, measuring heat output, temperature consistency, build quality, ease of use, and overall value. Today, we're breaking down the top 8 grills of 2026, from portable budget picks to premium outdoor cooking machines. Let's fire it up. Starting at number 8, we have the Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill, and this is our pick for best portable charcoal grill. With 240 square inches of cooking surface, this thing can handle quantities that rival a full-sized backyard grill. We were genuinely impressed. For a portable charcoal grill, that's a serious amount of real estate, enough to cook for a small crowd without running multiple batches. Most portable grills use a basic clip or nothing at all, which makes transporting a grill that's still warm a nerve-wracking experience. The Jumbo Joe's locking lid gives you a solid handle and enough confidence to move it while it's still hot. Just close down the bottom vents first so you're not spilling coals in your car. The stainless steel grates are easy to clean, the same quality you'd expect from Weber's full-sized kettle siblings. The large ash catcher underneath clips in cleanly and empties without a mess. It's at number 8 because its size, while a strength for cooking capacity, does make it bulkier than some truly compact portable options. At number 7, we have the Weber Q1200, our pick for best portable gas grill. If charcoal isn't your thing and you want the convenience of propane in a genuinely portable package, the Q1200 pulls away from every other portable gas grill we tested, and it's not particularly close. The cast iron grilling grates are the first thing that separates this from the competition. Most portable gas grills use thin steel grates that don't hold heat well and leave you with pale, uneven marks on your burgers. The Q1200's cast iron grates hold temperature properly and deliver beautiful, well-defined grill marks. The food actually looks and tastes like it came off a real grill. It runs on a single burner, and I know that sounds like a limitation, but in real-world testing, the heat output and consistency from that one burner were genuinely surprising. For a portable gas grill that actually cooks like a real grill, packs up small, and comes from one of the most trusted names in the business, the Weber Q1200 earns its spot on this list. Coming in at number 6 is the Masterbuilt Thermotemp XL propane smoker, our pick for the best affordable smoker. Smoking is one of those cooking methods that sounds intimidating to people who've never done it. Maintaining the right temperature for hours at a time, constantly feeding the wood chip box, babysitting the flame, it can feel like a part-time job. The Masterbuilt Thermotemp XL is the smoker that removes almost all of that complexity, and it does it at a price point that makes smoking genuinely accessible. The wood chip bin holds 2 full hours of chips at a time. On most entry-level smokers, you're running outside every 45 minutes to an hour to reload, which defeats the purpose of having guests over while your food cooks. 2 hours of hands-off smoking time means you can actually enjoy your own party. It's at number 6 because assembly is genuinely painful. For anyone who wants to get into smoking without a steep learning curve and without breaking the bank, this is the one. At number 5, we have the Traeger Ironwood XL TFB 93RLG. The Ironwood XL isn't just a smoker. It handles smoking, grilling, baking, roasting, and more, all from a single unit. We cooked everything from low and slow smoked brisket to roasted chicken to wood-fired pizza, and the results across all of those applications were consistently excellent. The smoky flavor you get from real wood pellets is on a completely different level from propane or even most charcoal setups. Full-color touchscreen for straightforward operation, Wi-Fi connectivity for hands-off monitoring and control from your phone, and built-in temperature probes so you're tracking internal meat temperature without opening the lid. Heat consistency throughout testing was one of the Ironwood XL's strongest qualities, even heating across the entire cooking surface, excellent temperature retention, and reliable results every cook. It's at number 5 because the price tag is substantial, and for buyers who primarily want a straightforward grilling experience, There are better value options lower on this list. At number 4, we have the Ninja FlexFlame, and this is one of the most genuinely interesting grills we've ever tested. Ninja's first full-size grill takes the conventional idea of what a gas grill is supposed to do and expands it dramatically. This is a propane-powered unit with a built-in smoker box that activates at the push of a button. No separate smoker needed. The attachments push it even further. A half-griddle attachment lets you run flat-top cooking on one side while grilling over grates on the other simultaneously. We made seared steaks on the grate side and cooked delicate fish and vegetables on the griddle side at the same time. Different heat applications, one cooking session. Temperature control on the FlexFlame is exceptional. It reaches a scorching 600 degrees Fahrenheit at the top end, and heat recovery when you open the lid to flip burgers or check on chicken is lightning fast. It's at number 4 because the attachment ecosystem costs extra, and the feature set might be more than some buyers need. Coming in at number 3 is the Napoleon NK22K-L EG-2, our pick for best charcoal grill. Start with the 4-leg base instead of the standard 3 legs you find on almost every other kettle grill. That single change makes a meaningful difference in real-world stability. This grill doesn't wobble or shift when you're working around it, which matters when you're managing hot coals. The wide rim that rests in the middle of the coal bed initially looks like it's there to keep briquettes out of the center of the grill. What we quickly realized is that the rim's metal heats up along with the coals and actively distributes that heat evenly across the entire cooking surface. Cooking capacity handles 12 to 13 burgers simultaneously, with a gorgeous overall char over direct heat. Raking coals for indirect heat cooking is nearly effortless thanks to hinged sections in the wire cooking grate that give you direct access to the briquettes underneath. For the charcoal grill experience, real smoke, authentic char, total control over your fire, the Napoleon delivers it better than anything else we tested. At number 2, we have the Weber Genesis EPX 335 Smart Gas Grill. If you want the most feature-packed, tech-forward gas grill Weber makes, this is it. The Genesis EPX 335 is a sprawling, powerful, connected propane grill that's built for serious outdoor cooks who want to push what a gas grill can do. Built-in LED lighting illuminates the cooking surface automatically when you open the hood. For anyone who grills after dark, and let's be honest, summer evenings are prime grilling time. This eliminates the headlamp and the phone flashlight balancing act. The smart features are where this grill earns its premium positioning. Onboard Weber Connect support connects to your home Wi-Fi so you can monitor internal grill temperature and track up to 2 meat probes in real time from your phone. It's at number 2 because the price reflects all of those premium features. And for buyers who don't need smart connectivity or that much cooking surface, the number 1 pick delivers better value. And at number 1 is the Weber Spirit 2 E310, the best overall gas grill of 2026, and it's not a close contest. Let's start with cooking performance, because that's what a grill is actually for. Perfect charbroil marks on burgers, evenly cooked chicken from edge to center, picture-perfect asparagus. The food that comes off this grill looks and tastes exactly like it should, and it does it consistently, cook after cook. Heat retention is fantastic. When you open the lid to flip burgers, it recovers quickly. The cooking surface maintains consistent temperature across all 3 burners without hot spots that burn food on one side while leaving it undercooked on the other. It's at number 1 because it does everything right, does it consistently, and does it for a price that makes sense. When you factor in performance, ease of use, build quality, and the thoughtful design details that add up to a genuinely enjoyable cooking experience, the Weber Spirit 2 E310 is the obvious choice for most people buying a gas grill in 2026. All right, there you have it. The top 8 grills of 2026, tested and ranked. Choose based on how you cook. Gas for convenience, charcoal for flavor, or pellet for set and forget smoking. Drop a comment, team gas or charcoal. And if this helped, like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.